In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Grok desktop app on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. This step-by-step guide will help you download Grok 3 quickly and easily. Whether you're installing it for the first time or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial has you covered. Let's get started by opening a web browser on your Windows device. You can use any browser you like, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once the browser is open, click on the address bar, type Google, and press Enter. When the Google homepage loads, type Grok into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see several search results appear. Look for the official Grok website, as this is where you'll find the latest and safest version of the app. It should be one of the top results, so go ahead and click on it. After you arrive on the Grok homepage, look toward the top right corner of the page for the three-dot menu icon. This icon opens additional options. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Scroll through the menu until you find an option labeled Install Grok or something similar. Once you see it, click on it to begin the installation process. Once the process finishes, Grok will be fully installed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer and ready to use. You can now open the app and start exploring all of its features. And that's it. If this video helped you, do not forget to like the video. Also subscribe and press the bell icon for more future updates. Thanks for watching.